We have a really great video for you to see today. XRP surges to 14% of all trade volume worldwide. Okay, folks, let's get started. Over the past 48 hours, the world's markets have seen some insane volatility. And believe me when I say that it is genuinely amazing. These statistics practically collapse and then, in less than a day, they come back with that much ferocity. It's incredible. And XRP is no stranger to it, I assure you. Actually, simply click this link to read the article. As U.S. demand returns to pre-SEC levels, Ripple's XRP soars to 14% of worldwide trading volume. It appears as though the lawsuit never took place. The amount of money invested in XRP. Just give this a listen right now. Data from cryptocurrency monitoring company Kaiko indicates that there has been a sharp increase in demand in U.S. markets for Ripple's XRP. A significant court ruling from last year that declared XRP sales on secondary trading platforms are not securities transactions was the cause of the surge in demand. And as everyone knows, Judge Analisa Torres said that the SEC isn't even appealing that particular issue, by the way. Significant issue. It is the only digital asset in the U.S. that has been awarded legal clarity by a federal court. Incredible. As a result, there has been a noticeable spike in XRP trading volume on U.S. exchanges. Just in the past year, the percentage of global XRP traffic has increased from less than 2.2% to 14%. Whoa! Here is the actual tweet, just for you. And this is Colin Brown discussing how Kaiko Analytics shows that XRP demand has returned to pre-lawsuit levels. And that's exactly where we can see it. This is the drop, as in this exact location, in December 2020. That's when it took place. And observe the sideways movement. And then, boom, bang, just like that. Will there ever be a significant XRP interest? Currently, trading activity has returned to pre-SEC litigation levels, suggesting that American traders have recovered trust. Naturally, as we all know, a number of significant exchanges delisted XRP during the court issue, restricting its trade. And Uphold was the only one accessible in the United States. Nonetheless, we have been witnessing some really big movements since key platforms like Coinbase, Gemini, and others just relisted. Kaiko's data now indicates that whereas Bitcoin gained 9% in July, XRP's price increased to 35%. The spike was driven by speculation about the SEC settlement, but there was a small decline in price when the SEC meeting scheduled for August 1st was canceled. As of the now, XRP is trading in the vicinity of about 49 cents. We truly witnessed the entire thing, that is, the prices collapsing along with everything else, and the incredible recovery. They are now claiming that this is an 18% decline over the previous week, reflecting larger market trends. However, what have we been witnessing on a worldwide scale in all of these markets? Everything was hit quite hard all at once. Nevertheless, everything changes that quickly in a brief amount of time. This is the reason I'm constantly encouraging you guys to keep an eye on this area. Look, that's how $2 billion worth of digital assets were liquidated. I'll tell you what, Judy and I don't play around with all these leverage deals. I know others who, after years of establishing their position, decided they wanted to advance a little bit more quickly. What then did they do? They went ahead and did just that by using their position as leverage and putting their assets on the exchange. And all that building up was wiped out in a single motion. You guys want to be as innocent as doves and as wise as serpents. Now simply click this link to read the article. Ripple XRP is poised to blow up. A pundit who has long overlooked XRP predicts that prices will rise soon. Take a listen to this now. Rekindled interest in Ripple's native XRP is coming from well-known people who had written it off before. Most notably, right now, is Scott Melker, aka the Street Wolf. Everyone is observing this man. We are aware of his identity. He now ended his silence regarding XRP. Here's what to expect: a substantial future for the coin is anticipated. Melker tweeted about XRP on Wednesday, implying that the price would soon skyrocket from its current level to around $2. That's only a brief summary of hundreds of percent. Although XRP Weekly hasn't examined this chart in a long time, it is currently in a very intriguing position. This is probably the weekly rejection's fourth touch of descending resistance, but a breakout would send this soaring. Regardless of your thoughts on the token, Milker thought it was worth seeing. Notably, the pundit now proposes 75 cents, 93 cents, $1.34, and eventually $1.96 as possible price objectives following a good breakout. And this is his chart, as he is currently viewing it. The current resurgence of interest in XRP aligns with the latest findings of other analysts who have hitherto disregarded these altcoins. For example, while not being a fan of XRP, well-known Bitcoin trader Christopher Yasinski, also known as MMM Crypto, recently acknowledged that he has been keeping a careful eye on the cryptocurrency. Numerous technical analysts have been surfacing and examining the XRP chart in the past. Indeed, the convergence is incredible when you listen to these gentlemen speak, as the majority of them don't always agree with one another. Furthermore, what do they say? Hey, we're considering a marriage that will take place in 2017. And if we see those breakouts and some of these early advances to the $2 mark, then beyond the all-time high, some are genuinely speculating that we may witness a historic move in XRP when this market truly takes off. And I really think, folks, that it will just astound everyone. We were present when we saw XRP simply tinker along, and then, without warning, it rocketed off. Now consider this. In 2020 to 2021 back then, the SEC releases its report on that bull run in December 2020. The lawsuit against X, the largest user of XRP on Ripple, was abandoned, and the price of XRP almost fell to 17.48 cents. Do you understand that after 4 months, it was only $197? That was a 1,200% return on an SEC complaint that had just been filed, and it came with all the uncertainties that came with being delisted from all U.S. exchanges save Uphold. You now have official legal clarification from the court on XRP. Furthermore, it was relisted on numerous exchanges that had previously delisted it and listed on numerous exchanges where it wasn't even listed. Do you believe that XRP could at the very least repeat its 2021 performance? I predict that it will completely surpass the expectations of the majority of people. That's just my personal viewpoint. Meanwhile, other experts believe that XRP is about to break out from a bullish pennant pattern that has been forming for the last 6.5 years. Analyst Mickey Bull Crypto also highlighted XRP potential on August 1st. The analysts encourage investors to consider XRP, emphasizing that it's not too late to join the wagon. I believe this will be really incredible when it finally explodes. The expert now predicted that the price of XRP may increase in the near term between $250 and $350, with long-term aims possibly reaching $25 or more, highlighting how insanely poised the chart appears to be for an upward surge. And that's what you're seeing there. This occurred in 2017. It was simply tinkering away in this wedge. And suddenly, without warning, it sprang out of nowhere and, boom, 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 just like everyone was expecting it to. And that was a really, really big shift. Guys, do you not think that this seems like anything that we have over here? Do you know that we are talking about double-digit, if not triple-digit, XRP if we get a move like that?